Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I will be sharing with you guys my new MacBook Pro 2020. So I know I have not done a video, and that is because my MacBook broke. It literally stopped working and I could no longer use it. Literally, it just died. Like, my laptop just died, and I was so sad because I had some videos already and now they're gone. So unfortunately I cannot get my laptop to work anymore, and I did take it to the Mac store and they said that it would cost quite a bit of money to fix it, and it was really not worth it. It was more worth it to just pay like $200–300. I'm telling my sob story here. So it was more worth it to pay $200–300 more for just a brand new MacBook. So I did have this MacBook. I honestly don't remember, but pretty much this is the MacBook that I used to have, and I literally won't charge. It won't turn on at all. This is the MacBook Pro model A1502. So that is the old one, and here is the new one. So this is the MacBook Pro, and it is the model A2289. This is a very different color. I actually thought I was gonna get this same color. So actually, let me compare size for you guys. So it says this is like the 13-inch lifting weights. This is definitely more heavier, for sure. Like, it's hurting my arm, and this one's kind of just like super light, compact, and dang, this one's so heavy. I never realized how heavy this was. What? I could just feel it, like, super heavy. This one also has all of the cables that could be connected right here. So these are all the ports. So this is another reason why I could not film a video, because I did not realize, honestly guys, I just bought the MacBook 2020 because I needed a laptop. So I didn't realize that this one only has 2 C ports here. So Type C is the same as my phone, so it's the same port for my Samsung Galaxy. I was like, wait, hold up. When I was trying to already get my filming and videos going, I realized that that's all that it carries. So because of that, it makes it super light, super fast, just a better quality laptop. So it's like a love-hate type of thing, because it definitely makes it super fast, super high-tech, and super lightweight. But you do have to buy an external port connector. So I did buy that. I bought it like the same day or the next day that I got my laptop. I also bought a case, and I bought a super cute case for it. That's very different than what I usually would gravitate towards, but I figured it was time to switch it up. So it's a super cute case, and it matches with the wallpaper that I currently have on it. So I will be showing you guys that in another video where I kind of make this super cute. So this is my wallpaper. It is the little twin stars. So if you guys follow along with my phone videos and my phone themes, you guys know that I love Sanrio characters. So the little twin stars were definitely a must, and they're just so cute and I love them. It just has stars, and it's a very high quality wallpaper, so I thought it looked really good. It's gonna match perfectly with the keyboard and the matching case that I got. I'll also be showing you guys what the port is that I got to attach, so that I'm able to transfer from my SD card and other ports as well. So this is what the bottom dock looks like. It just has all of the stuff there lined up, and then this is what the keyboard looks like. So just black as well, but as you guys could see right here, we have like a touch screen. So it's touch screen, and it's crazy because now on here I'm gonna open a new tab. So pretty much you guys can see how right here where the touchscreen is stripped right there at the top, you guys could definitely just click from screen to screen back and forth, which I think is super cool, super convenient. I love this. I never had this in my laptop. As well as right here to lock my laptop, I can just not just only use a password, but I can use my fingerprint to make sure that nobody else can use my laptop. And I love it. I love this high-tech keyboard. It's so nice. As well as just like how sleek it is. I love how everything is pretty nice on here. So I also will be showing you guys how I set up like this part right here of my desktop. So I will show you that. But anyways, this is how my laptop looks like compared to my old laptop that I used to have, which was just standard and basic. I hope you guys like this little unboxing and kind of like preview of my laptop. I hope you guys enjoyed and like this video. Subscribe if you haven't already. I will be showing you guys how I make it super cute, just like my phone themes and my phone wallpapers that I show you guys. So I will be customizing it and showing you guys what kind of case I got. So all of that will be in the next video, hopefully right after this. So stay tuned for that. And enough rambling. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.